Qubit Systems instructional videos for the QBox CO650 Advanced CO2 Analysis Package. My name is Michael, and I'll be walking you through the initial setup and testing of this package. So to begin, open up your QBox. And begin to disassemble. So, see that we have the two software files, which we'll be using in a different video. So, take out your sensor tray. Looking inside your QBox, you can see that there are two data acquisition interfaces, each with their own labels for each of the sensors, so that you know which sensor goes to which input on the data acquisition. Looking at your sensor tray, we have the gas pump, which pulls in through its input and a particulate filter. This particulate filter on the import connects to your gas bag, which is included in the QBox. This gas bag is used for your analysis and testing. When attaching the gas bag, attach it to the particulate filter. The filter is used to scrub out any dust particles which might affect the gas pump. The output of this gas pump, as shown here, goes to the input of your flow monitor. This flow monitor is factory set and calibrated to be within 100 to 200 milliliters per minute. If you wish to change that, you can do so with the needle valve. We will show you how to do this in another video. The output of the flow monitor goes to the input of the RH and air temperature sensor. These are used to measure the water levels and the water vapor levels and the air temperature of your plant. The output of your RH sensor goes to the input of this drying column. This drying column is filled with dry, and if it expires or becomes too moist, it will change from blue to a pink hue. There's more of this dry rate included in the QBox accessory kit. The output of this drying column goes to the input of another particulate filter. This particulate filter again is to eliminate any dust particles from entering the CO2 analyzer. From there, the CO2 analyzer vents to air. In order to turn on your sensors, you must connect power. Connect it with the correct pins in the right orientation for power. Now that you have connected, turn each on in turn. Gas pump, flow monitor, RH temperature sensor, CO2 analyzer. Moving on from there, going to look at the flow-through leaf chamber. This leaf chamber has 3 thumb locks on it. These thumb locks are used to secure the leaf chamber together. For now, we're going to disconnect them. Simply unscrew these thumb screws and place them somewhere where they won't get knocked around and you won't lose them. If in the event they do get knocked or you do lose them, we have included 3 others in your QBox accessory kit. Looking at the bottom of your flow-through leaf chamber, you can see that there's a small suede lock fitting. This is used for your temperature probe. Simply loosen it a bit, take your probe, and insert it so that it just goes through and is inside the enclosed part of your chamber. Tighten the fitting so that the temperature probe won't become loose and disconnect while your experiments are running. Reconnect the flow-through chamber. Again, using the thumb screws. As you can see here, there are 4 lure lock fittings. These fittings are used to connect to 2 Y connector tubings. Take each and connect them to their respective ports. Female connection to male connection. And male connection to female connection. Now set aside your leaf chamber for now. We'll move back to the cue box. Inside the cue box, you can see that there is a stand at the back. Simply disconnect this and place it aside. This is the base for your stand for the leaf chamber. We'll set it aside for now. Now, there are 2 pieces to the stand, and they connect with each other through the top. So we place one on top of the other and screw them together. Now, this stand can be connected to one of 4 places: the left or right of your cue box, and in the center or side of the stand. For now, I'll be connecting this to the right side of the cue box. Simply screw it in. Now, with my fully connected leaf flow through chamber, I'm going to unscrew the locking screw and slide it down the stand. Again, tightening it here. It should be at approximately the same height as the plant that you wish to be experimenting with. Moving on from there, we have our LED light source. What you want to do now is connect the light source to its own power supply. Simply plug in the power supply and connect it to the LED light source. Check to see that the LED light source turns on. It does. We're good to continue. Notice there are 2 Velcro strips on the bottom of the LED and 2 corresponding Velcro strips on the top of the leaf chamber. Use those as your guides and connect. Simply replace the cue box, the cubit sensors back into the cue box. And now you're ready for calibration.